Hello everybody, welcome to the Organizational Behavior class. This is Srinivasu Dalpatti, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, BSM College Autonomous, Ramchandrapuram. In the Organizational Behavior, Unit 4, today we are going to discuss about organizational development. What is organizational development? Organizational development contains organizational development, meaning and definition of OD, objectives of OD, assumptions and values of OD, process of OD, and effectiveness of OD. So, introduction to OD, introduction to the organizational development. So, the term organizational development was coined by Richard Bankard in the mid 1950s. Organizational development is an acronym to two words, that is organization and development. Organization, a social unit of people that is structured and managed to meet a need or to pursue collective goals. Development, the systematic use of scientific and technical knowledge to meet specific objectives or requirements. So organization development OD is deliberately planned effort to increase an organizational relevance and viability. Organizational development is the framework for change and oftentimes a managing helps to lead his change. So OD, organization and development, as two terms. Organization is a social unit of people that is structured and managed to meet a need or to pursue collective goals. And development, the systematic use of scientific and technical knowledge to meet specific objectives or requirements. So now, what is organization development? Organization development OD is deliberately planned effort to increase an organization relevance to and viability. Organization development is the framework for change and often times to manage helps to lead this change. Now, organizational development is a critical and science-based process that helps organizations build their capacity to change and achieve greater effectiveness by developing and improving and reinforcing strategies, structures, and procedures. So, organizational development OD compares a special set of organizational change methods. It is a planned systematic process of organizational change based on behavioral science research and theory. The goal of organizational development is to create adaptive organizational capable of transforming and reinvesting themselves. As a field of behavioral science, organizational development draw heavily from physically, sociology, and anthropology. Physiology, sociology, and anthropology. Organizational development relies information from personality theory, learning theory, and motivational theory, and an inputs from the group dynamics, power, leadership, and organizational design. It is based on many well established principles regarding behavior of individuals and groups organization. Now, let us see what is the meaning of OD. Organization development is known as both a field of applied behavioral science focused on understanding and managing organizational change, and as a field of scientific and study and inquiry. Organizational development is a systematic learning and development strategy intended to change the basic of beliefs, attitudes, and relevance of values and structure and the current organization to better absorb disruptive technologies, market opportunities, and assume challenges and choices. Now, definitions of OD according to Minimalist and HIT defines organizational development as systematic means a planned change that involves the entire organization and is intended to increase organizational effectiveness. Cummings and Hughes defines a systematic wide application of behavioral science knowledge to the planned development and reinforcement of organizational strategies, structure, and processes for improving an organizational effectiveness. Now see, what are the objectives of OD? Objectives of OD. According to Somil Esesa, the objectives of OD is to increase the level of interpersonal trust among employees and to increase employees levels of satisfaction and commitment, to comfort problems instead of neglecting them, to effectively manage conflict, to increase cooperation among these employees, to increase the organizational problem solving, to put into place process that will help improving the ongoing operations of the organizational continuous basis. So we already touched briefly about this organizational development. In that we have some objectives of OD: to increase level of interpersonal trust among employees and increase employees level of satisfaction, to comfort problems, effectively manage conflict, to increase cooperation among the employees, to increase the organizational problem solving, to put place on process will improve the ongoing operation and organization on continuous basis. We have assumptions. Before going to the assumptions, there are 6 methods for dealing with resistant to and organizational change of development, communication and participation with involvement, facilitation of support, negotiation agreement, manipulation and cooperation, and coercion. We already discussed about resistant to change. Assumption and values of OD. What are the assumptions and what are the values? Let us see individual first. Individuals, people want to grow and mature. Individual assumption, individuals, people want to grow and mature. And values, individuals, organizational development aims to overcome obstacle to the natural human tendency to grow, enabling employees to contribute more the organization. And individuals, employee have much to offer, example creativity, energy, and that is not being used at work. In values, organization development stresses open communication, treating employees with genuine dignity and respect is emphasized. In the individual, most of employees describe desire to opportunity to contribute, they desire to seek and appreciate empowerment. Let us see the what is groups. Individual assumptions. Groups and teams are critical to organized success and individual need satisfaction. In the values, groups hiding feeling or not to being accepted by the group diminishes individual willingness to solve problems constructively. And assumptions, groups have powerful influence on individual behavior. To complex roles to be played in the groups require skill development. In the values groups, acceptance, collaboration and involvement leads to expression of feeling and perceptions. Organizations, in the assumptions, organization, excessive controls, policies and rules and detrimental conflict can be functional if properly challenged. Individual and organization goals can be completable. In the organizational values in the organization, the way groups are linked influence their effectiveness. Change should start at top, gradually to introduce it through rest of the organization. In the organization assumption, in most organizations the levels of interpersonal support, trust and cooperation is lower then desirable and necessary. Organization values the group links the top and bottom of the organization. So process of OD. Process of OD. The organizational development OD is planned approach to improve employee and organizational effectiveness by conscious interventions, those process and structure that have an intermediate bearing of human aspects of organization. A normal OD process can be passed into following manner. First, problem and identification, data collection, diagnosis, and planning and implementation, evaluation and feedback. What is the process? First step is problem identification and data collection, diagnosis, and then planning and implementation, evaluation and feedback. This is the process of OD. Yeah. Threats a lot involved in organizational development processes. We will break the core aspects of OD process down into different steps, and let us take an example to following throughout this, the stages. First of all, problem identification. Problem identification. The first step in the OD process involves understanding the identification of the existence and potential problems in the organization. The awareness of the problems includes knowledge of the possible organizational problems of the growth, human satisfaction, the usage of human resource and organizational effectiveness. Organizational development process involves understanding and identification of the existing and potential problems in the organization. The awareness of the problem includes knowledge of the possible organizational problems of growth, human satisfaction, the usage of human resource, and organizational effectiveness. Data collection. Having understood the abstract problem in the space, the relevant data is collected through personal interviews, observation, and questionnaires. Understood the exact problem in this phase, the relevant data has to be collected through the personal interviews and observations and from the questionnaires. And first thing is problem identification, and second one is data collection. Third, diagnose. Whole organizational development efforts being with the diagnosis of the current situation. Usually it is not limited to a single problem, rather a number of factors like attitudes, assumption, available resources and management practice are taken into the account in the phase. There are 4 steps organizational diagnosis. So first, organization development efforts being with diagnose human situation. It is not a limited for the single problem, rather a number of factors like attitudes, assumptions, available resources, and management practice taken into the account to phase. There are 4 steps in the organizational diagnosis. Structural analysis. Determine how the different parts of organization are functioning in terms of laid down goals. And problem analyzing. Process implies the manner in which event takes place in sequence. It refers to pattern, decision making, communication, group dynamics, and conflict management patterns which organizations to help the process of attainment of organizational goals. What is process analysis? It refers to pattern, decision making, communication, group dynamics, and conflict management with this within the organization to help the process of attainment on organizational goals. Functional analysis. Functional analysis. This includes strategic variables, performance, variable, results, achievements, and final outcomes. Strategic analysis, functional analysis, it includes strategic variables, performance, variables, result, achievements, and final outcomes. And domain analysis. What is domain analysis? Domain refers to the area of the organization for organizational diagnosis. And next thing, planning and implementation. After the diagnosis, planning and implementation. After diagnosis the problem, the next phase of organizational development with the OD interventions involves the planning and implementation part of the change and process. First we have to plan and implement the process for the planning and implementation. And finally, evaluation and feedback. Evaluation and feedback. Any organizational development activities is incomplete without proper feedback. Feedback is a process. Feedback is a process of relaying evaluation to client group by means of specific report of interaction. In organizational development activities incomplete without a proper feedback. Feedback is a process of relaying evaluation to the client group by means a specific report on interaction. Now, effectiveness of the organizational development. What is the effectiveness of organizational development? Humanistic values underlie organizational development. Margulis and Ria articulated the humanistic values OD as follows. They are the names. Margulis and Ria articulated the humanistic values of OD organizational development as follows: providing opportunities for people to function as human beings rather than resources in the productive process. Humanistic values providing opportunities for people to function as human being rather than as resources in productive process. Providing opportunities for each organization member as well as for the organization itself to develop to his full potential. Providing opportunities for each organizational member as well as for the organization itself to develop his full potential, seeking to increase the effectiveness of organization in terms of all of its goals. Increasing effectiveness organization in terms of all of its goals, and then attempting to create an environment in which is possible to fix it, find exciting and challenging work. How to what type of environment to be created possible and find exciting and challenging to work. This kind of environment has to be created. And then providing opportunities for people in the organizations, it influences the way which they relate to work and the organization and the environment. Providing opportunities for people in the organization to influence the way in which they are relate to work and what they related to which work and the organization in the environment. Treating each human being as a person with a complex set of needs, all of which are important in his or her workplace, work and life. Treating each human being as a person with a complex set of needs, all of which are implemented so are important in his or her work and life. So today we are discussing about organizational development OD. I think you understood well. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment below. We'll meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you. Thank you so much.